So in this question, I'm given an equation to solve. So I have here x plus x is equal to 51. Now, I'm just going to start by making this a bit easier to work with. So we want to get it in kind of terms of x is equal to something. However, when we've got these three x's on the left-hand side, it looks a bit difficult to work with. However, if we have three x's, we can add them all together and get a total of 3x. And then 3x is going to be equal to 51. Now, if I'm going to find this in terms of singular x, in order to get 3x down to a singular x, I can divide this by 3, and that's going to give me x, which is going to be equal to, on this side, 51 divided by 3. And 51 divided by 3 is going to give me an answer of 17. So in this instance, x is going to be equal to 17, and I can write that in to gain the mark for this question. Now here we're given a question of a similar form. So I'm asked to solve y over 4 is equal to 3. So I want this in terms of y. So y is going to be equal to some number. Now if we have y over 4 is equal to 3, we're dividing y by 4 and then that's equal to 3. So in order to get this answer in terms of just y, if we were to multiply both sides of this equation by 4, we're going to get an answer where y is equal to something. So y over 4 multiplied by 4 just leaves us with y. And y is going to be equal to 3 multiplied by 4, as we have to do the same thing to both sides of the equation. So 3 multiplied by 4 gives us an answer of 12. So in this instance, y is going to be equal to 12 to gain us the mark here. Now finally here, I'm asked to solve this equation. So 2f plus 7 is equal to 18 here. So again, I'm going to be trying to isolate f here. So to get f on its own side of this equals sign, and for it to be one lot of f as opposed to the 2 here. So to start with a question like this, I can see that I have a plus 7 on this side of the equation. Now if I'm looking to get f on its own, I really need to take this away and remove it from this left-hand side. So if I have plus 7, in order to get rid of that, I can subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. And that's going to give me 2f plus 7 minus 7, so that leaves me with just a 2f, is going to be equal to 18 minus 7, which gives me an answer of 11. So now I have the equation 2f is equal to 11. So I've got two lots of f here, and that's going to give me 11. So if I'm looking for one lot of f, I can simply divide both sides of the equation by 2. So 2f divided by 2 gives me f, and 11 divided by 2 is just going to give me 11 over 2. So f is going to be equal to 11 over 2, or 5.5, to get me the mark here.